What's the meaning of Chelsea Royal Hospital? Chelsea Royal Hospital. Chelsea Royal Hospital.
Chelsea Royal Hospital. Chelsea Royal Hospital. Chelsea Royal Hospital is a retirement and nursing home for British Army veterans, located in London, England. The hospital was founded in 1682 by King Charles II and was originally intended to provide a home for veteran soldiers who were no longer fit for active duty. Today, the hospital continues to serve as a residence for retired veterans and provides them with medical care, social activities, and other services. The hospital is also known for its iconic red brick buildings and beautiful gardens which are open to the public.